Hi guys, I am about to show you how to search your own LinkedIn network or your friend's LinkedIn network to find relevant contacts. So the very first thing you do is go to your network tab. The second thing you do is go to your connections. The third thing you do is go to search with filters. And then fourth thing you do is go to all filters. Then you scroll to the very bottom. Go to title, type in the title of the person you want to look for. So if you're job searching, you're looking for recruiters, you might want to type in recruiter and then go to show results. And then all your first degree connections come up. But to search your friends' connections, you just go on the second degree connections at the top. And then it shows your first and second degree connections. You can also unfilter the first. And it will show your mutual connections. So I hope that helps.